welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to make your computer run a little bit faster. So you have, let's say you have a window computer and you notice that your computer has been kind of slow. So I'm going to give you some few tips here that you can use to make your computer run faster. And I emphasize that this video is made for Windows user, not for the Mac user. So let's say the first thing that you have to do is going to be you go on the search menu. Most of the time it's on the depending on how it's display your system, but I have my search menu here. So I click on that, then I type run, right? I type run, then I hit enter. So when I type run, it let me open this small window that we have here. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to remove temporary file, right? So what is a temporary file? So a temporary file created by the program as needed and deleted automatically when the program is no longer in need. But the problem is sometimes the computer fail to run this to remove this temporary file or keep them in the back end, and that can make your computer run slow, right? So what you can do to remove this temporary file is to type percentage, then you type temp, right? Temp, right? Then again you hit and then you press OK, or you hit enter. I can press OK or I can hit enter, then you open this file. So in my case, I remove a lot of this temporary file already. You can see that we are in the temp file here. I removed some of them already, so I don't have a lot to remove here. But most of the time, when you haven't done this before, when you open this window, you're going to see a bunch of files here. So what you just do is you select one of them, and then you say Control, and then you say A, right? Then Control A, it allows you to select everything in that folder, right? In that file. So when you select everything in that file, you just hit delete, right? Which is here, you delete. And most of the time when you're going to have this issue where you try to delete some of them, but it doesn't allow you to delete, you just select this, so you can skip that, you just skip it, then you delete whatever you can delete, then you say escape, then continue. So you delete some of them. You can see that some of them were deleted, right? So I suspect this are in use somewhere. And when you delete that, you're going to see that you're going to have a less file in this file, less file in this folder. So I close that, and then again I'm going to do the same thing. I go under run, right? I go under run, then I select in this case I'm going to open the disk, right? The disk, and then clean some of the stuff on that disk. So to open the disk clean up, you just type clean, right? Clean mgr, then you hit enter, right? So it's going to prompt you to select the disk that you are trying to clean. In my case, it's a C drive, right? And then I hit OK. Then you open this small tab, that small window that you have here. So what you are going to do here is going to click on the download program file. We check that box, and then temporary internet file, we check that box. Recycle bin, we check that box, because when you delete for recycle bin, for instance, when you delete a file in your system, it doesn't go away, it goes stay in the recycle bins, right? So to permanently remove that, you click you have to delete all this file in the recycle bins, right? So you delete that as well, and then temporary file also I want to delete that, then this last one as well. So when I click on that, so you see that the total amount of this space that again was 9.81 gigabyte. So in this case, I just have this again this one because I deleted a lot of file already. So I did that I did that frequently on my computer. But if you haven't performed this task before, you may see that you're going to gain a lot of empty space in your system here, right? So that's very, very important, especially when you have the recycle bin. Sometimes people fail to delete the recycle bin and the file just stay there forever. So I click OK, then delete, right? It may take some time depending on how many files you have there, but in my case, I just have few, so it's kind of fast, right? Because I do that quite often. So another thing that we have to do is you can, because one of the reasons the system can run slow also could be that you have a lot of program in your system, and also sometimes some malicious can install some program in your system that you don't really want it, and that can make your computer run slower. So what you can do is going to open the program and feature window by typing a b again on the run. We open run first, just as we did before, run. Then we type to open the program and feature window, also known as add or remove program, right? You just type mm, a pp. Oh, it's here, right? It's already here. So we click on that. When you click on it, you said okay, right? It's going to open this window, right? So in this window, you can see all the program that you have in your system, right? So let's say I want to remove Grammarly. I just click on Grammarly, then I say uninstall. So it's very easy to uninstall the program. So whatever you want to remove, you just click on that, then you say uninstall, right? For example, if I click on this, I can uninstall it, right? So this is how you do. But I don't want to uninstall something, remove something from my computer here. But if you do want to remove a program from your system, you just remove it from here. I said by clicking on that specific program and then click on uninstall the program. That's simple, right? So that's what I have for you for today. And please subscribe to this channel so I can continue to post video like this and other videos. And also, if you have a specific content that you're interested on, feel free to post on the comments so that I can make the video for that. But you can explore my channel. I have a lot of content in different topics. I hope you'll be interested. Thank you.